Alright, so as you guys have noticed recently, I'm really trying to bring up new cars on the channel and new things. And this was a pretty special one. You guys are gonna be excited for this one. Should I show them now or later? Later? Yeah, I'll show you guys later. Although you already know from the title. So that said, let's get to the spot. A little sneak peek for you guys. That's actually so loud. My neighbors are not gonna be happy about that. The video isn't really about Brittany, but the best I can give you guys is a little gold start. Gold star park, boys. But enough talking, here's the car, guys. Yo, BMWs. Sounds so sick. So first we had to come to a car wash because he wanted to wash his car real quick, so. But let's go talk to him real quick, guys. Let's go talk to him because this is something pretty big that he did. So if you guys were wondering who the owner of this car is, just check this out. Seabass. So Seabass, tell us, because everybody's probably really confused because as you guys know, he used to own a 2019 STI. So, tell us a little bit about the car.
2016 BMW 340i. M Sport package. Right now, just has a catless downpipe. I'm gonna be getting a BMS intake for it. BMS catch can, and then I'm still debating on. I want to do a JB4, but I'm not a big fan of piggybacks. But if I do have to go piggyback, I would get JB4. I know a couple people make a flash tune for it, so I'm debating like getting an ECU flash or just getting a piggyback. But I kind of like ECU flash because you get a little bit more power from an ECU flash. But yeah, stock these make around 320 to 330 wheel.
What about with the catalyst and all that?
The downpipe right now, it shouldn't be making that much more because it's still not tuned.
Yeah, it's not tuned.
So it should be, I don't know, maybe 340 wheel at best, 335.
That's pretty quick.
Maybe gain 5 to 10 wheel just from the downpipe without a tune.
Yeah, and with the tune, I heard they were like 400 or something with the intake.
Yeah, without an intake and downpipe, they make around 380, 390 wheel.
That's crazy.
And then intake and downpipe, intake maybe 10 wheel at best. Downpipe maybe, I've seen 15 to 20 wheel from that. So after I get a tune, it should be right at 400 wheel, hopefully. You hear that, guys? It's not 400 wheel right now.
Last video with this suit, everybody's like, why did he say he had 400 wheel with an intake? You gotta wait. He said he wanted to have 400 wheel. You saw how many comments? Like, what do you like better? Because you went from a complete different car to this.
I really like this car because it's really tame and like really chill when you're just driving.
Yeah, it's more of like a sleeper, and then you step on it and you just...
and then it's like almost, it's super quiet because the exhaust has valves in the factory. So it's super quiet when you're just cruising, and then when you get on it, you know, it's fun, it's fast. I mean, it's really engaging. I was thinking about a 335, but I really wanted the new motor because this has the B58. The older 335s have the M54, M55. And the B58s so far have been proven to be really good motors.
Really good.
Yeah, they have a lot of strong components just from factory. So
it's the one that's gonna be in the new Supra, you said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, should be pretty awesome. So it's a 4-door Supra.
Yeah.
All right, you want to take it up for a drive?
Sure.
Let's do it. What do you bros think is faster, an almost straight pipe 340i or a straight pipe 370Z? Okay, we gotta get out now. What do you think?
Your car definitely has like a louder overall sound, but I mean the pops.
Yeah, you got more pops. All right, he got more pop, guys. He got more pops. Oh, that's cool. It shows like horsepower and torque right there. Dude, why do BMWs pop so much?
I don't know. It's just the way that the
bro.
Like just the way that the factory tune is, and some people even make it pop more like the burble tune or something. I don't know why you would want more.
Yeah, it's like.
But I don't know. It's just the way.
It sounds so cool when the turbo spins up. So what type of turbo this has?
It's a stock turbo. It's a twin scroll single.
Yeah, it's a twin scroll.
So it has 2 turbines inside of 1 turbo.
That's perfect. So it doesn't lag as much?
No, it's almost got no lag. I mean, no, you can feel it's just more responsive. It was already
so responsive, yeah. How much torque was that? 3?
Yeah, I don't know.
320 something? This road.
This is dirt.
Alright. Now time for me to drive, and we're gonna go into POV mode. I don't think I'm gonna use this camera that much. I'm pretty excited. I've never driven. Actually, yeah, I've driven paddle shifting cars like the GTR, but
Yeah,
other than
it's
that,
the same concept, yeah.
yeah. Pretty excited, boys. Pretty excited. Dang, bro, I come from a 370. I'm not used to this much luxury. All right. So first thing I want to say, I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but it says the miles per hour on the screen. That is, I'm not used to that. So you put the brake in, and then you go all the way down drive.
And then manual is just that, and then you can use the paddles.
And then if I want to go back to drive,
Yeah, just like that.
was that normal shifting?
Yeah, that's why I don't like it. When it's in sport mode, it holds the gear so long.
Yeah, wow, 4.5.
That's why I paddle shift all the time.
Let's see. Yo, that is fun. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is another first gear pull right here. See, I want to be straight.
Yeah.
Start shift right here. Yo, this sounds sick, dude. That feels so good. It takes off. Well, it is the 4-door Super. What else has this engine, like BMW wise? I know the Z4, right?
Yeah, the Z4 is gonna have it. Some of the BMWs, SUVs have it. There's a 440i. I think there's a 540i. There's a 640i. There's a 740i. So like,
Oh my goodness.
you can get this engine in.
Oh, so all the 40s have the B58?
Yeah, that's what it's. Yeah, so if it says it's a 240, it has the B58. It's a 340, it has the B58. If it's a 440i, it has the B58.
Oh.
So whatever series of BMW, and if it says 40, then it has the B58.
Dude, there's absolutely no lag in this.
Yeah.
It feels so good. I feel like I have to press in the clutch, but there isn't a clutch. Damn, bro, this is sick. How's it feel on the passenger side?
It feels different.
Yeah?
Because I'm like, oh wait, I'm not driving.
And I'm not even going red line, dude.
Yeah.
I'm stopping at like 5.5. This can go up to like 7.5, right?
Yeah, it goes to 7.
Wow. Oh yeah, that is 7. You're right. My bad. And what I love on the exterior is probably super loud, but the interior, bro, you can't really hear it.
Not too loud, yeah.
Yeah, this is a perfect daily, to be honest. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna say? I like it better than the Subi. How do you make it where it pops really loud?
You have to downshift
To what?
to, I'd say, 3rd. And then give it gas and let off at 4,000.
Oh, I see. When do you plan on tuning it?
I'm gonna get intake and catch can first. I'm gonna get 2-step colder spark plugs.
Oh, and this also does launch control, right?
Yeah, I have launch control.
Oh, we gotta try that.
Yeah. Like neutral.
Is it a neutral?
Just press B.
Oh wait, no. Cool. Dang. Huh? Yeah, because you can just leave it anywhere, but then you might forget, so. Actually, do you want to do a launch control here? Guys, that car sounds amazing. Definitely Danny Z approved. BMW fanboys or people who like BMWs, major thumbs up, guys. Wow. All right, we're gonna do 0 to 60. I'm gonna time it. Hold on. Yeah. Let me know.
All right.
That was like a 5-second, like a 4.8 around there. I forgot to stop it, but you guys can see. Yeah.
Like it didn't spin much.
Yeah, it didn't.
Probably because of the extra person.
Yeah, the STI was definitely more brutal on the 0.
Yeah.
Well, it's 4-wheel drive, obviously.
Yeah, 4-wheel drive launch.
That can really like put you back. Woo! We're here doing donuts, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. So I think we're gonna go ahead and end the video right there, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see the BMW more on the channel, or you want to see new cars or anything, let me know in the comments below, please. This was really fun to make. Shout out to Sebastian as always for helping out with the video. It's like super early. It's like 8 a.m. We woke up like at 9 or 8 and came and filmed the video. Actually, it was 8, yeah. So yeah, huge shout out to Sebastian. What's it sound like that? Is that normal?
Injectors, yeah.
Okay. Subscribe to Sebastian. It will be in the description. He's gonna do BMW videos, I think, on his channel. So
Definitely
yeah.
gonna come back when I get a tune and stuff. Tune's
We're
gonna be
definitely
great.
we're definitely gonna make a video on the car's tune. But yeah, do you have a name for her yet or no?
Make it Violet.
Violet.
You know.
So maybe Violet and Brittany, if you want to see them again in the channel, know in the comments below. I said thank you guys for watching again. I'm Danny, that's Brittany, Sebastian and Violet. And yeah, we upload every Tuesday and Friday, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace, hope you enjoyed this video.